Dear students, in the previous session we have started the discussion on a second unit, that is environmental analysis, to formulate a strategy to achieve competitive advantage. In the previous unit we have discussed about a strategy formulation process. The first step is strategic intent. Strategic intent is the process of developing vision, mission and objectives of an organization. The second step is environmental analysis. Environmental analysis include both external environment and internal environment analysis. External environment analysis helps to identify the opportunities and threats in the external environment, because the external environment and internal environment is constantly changing. The many factors in this environment that influences a business organization either positively or negatively. These changes in the environmental factors create opportunities or sometimes pose threats for the organization. So it is very important for the companies to study the changes in the environmental factors. Accordingly, they devise a suitable strategy to grab the opportunity or to avoid the negative impact from the threats. So this is the basic objective of environmental analysis. In this environmental analysis, let us focus on external environment. The company's external environment consists of macro external environment and micro external environment. Macro external environment that has an indirect impact on the organizational activities. These are economic, political, technological, socio-cultural and international environment factors. Micro or task environment factors has a direct impact on the particular organizational activities. These environmental factors include specific markets, customers, suppliers and competitors for the organization. Here, the task environmental factors have a direct influence or impact on the particular business organization, whereas the macro external factors have indirect impact on all the business organizations in the particular country or a region. This external analysis helps to identify what is industry, sector, market segment, and how the industry boundaries are defined, and strategy group analysis, industry life cycle analysis that we are going to discuss in the subsequent videos. Now let us define what is industry. Industry means a group of companies whose products or services are closely substitute for each other. For example, say company A and B in the particular industry. Company A's products are substitute for company B's products. That means if company A product is not available, you can use company B's product for the same purpose to fulfill the particular need. Okay, so this is called as a substitute products. If a group of companies produce the products which are substitute for each other, then those groups of companies are called as an industry. If the groups of industries are related to one another, then the group of industry is called as a sector. Here I give an example of telecommunication sector, which has two industries: telecommunication equipment industry and telecommunication service industry. So both comes under telecommunication sector, because both are related to telecommunication. One industry is specialized in equipment, another industry is specialized in service. And every industry boundary is changing. Okay, maybe the industry boundary may expand or contract. It depends on the industry. For example, mobile phone, telecommunication, equipment industry, the sub-industry is called mobile phone industry. The mobile phone industry's boundaries are expanding every day. Okay, previously it was used for only oral communication and sending messages. Nowadays you can do so many activities which are normally performed by computers. So the mobile phones industry's boundaries are capturing into, or their boundaries are expanding into the computer industry's area. So now the computer industry is facing a problem or threatening from the mobile phone industry. So this called as a changes in the industry boundary. So this has to be monitored and studied periodically. Accordingly, the company needs to develop the strategies to grab the opportunity or to avoid the threats from the environment. This, as I told you earlier, this two environment in the external environment, general environment and competitive environment. This general or macro environment study is done by pest analysis. That means political, economic, socio-cultural and technology analysis. And competitive environment or task environment, this is specific to the particular industry and particular company. This level of competition in the particular industry that poses threat or an opportunity for the organization. So how to analyze the level of competitiveness in the particular industry? We are going to discuss about a method called Porter's 5 forces model. So that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.